We'll do small passage at the back. Okay, no leave there. Okay, Master, let's wait for that people to come.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's join the class. So I'm gonna join class. All right, welcome everybody. Let us start because of time. So, and me, I know saying I no do quiz, I no study, and I never post the video. I'll post it everything this night. All right, let us start by doing small quiz concerning passaggio a livello because it's a very important topic. Let's start by doing no, do shit, pero. Okay, we asking the let me go to answer the question. Might see. Mm, I have to go to quiz site. Let's go to quiz site. All right, let's go to quiz site. We'll do small quiz now before we continue the class. Huh? All right. Um, I'm coming. I would have loved to do quiz, but, or make I teach because of time. Guys, we'll teach because of time, right? Okay. Now we have arrived to we don't arrive for we're about to start doing something very important. Let me see what you remain. So guys, we don't do a lot of things for my own part. So please start studying. We have done a lot of things. So last time I will send the video after today's class. We've done the difference between strada. I don't start oh. We've done the difference between strada esturbana principale and autostrada. We saw the difference between strada esturbana principale and autostrada. Please don't forget that. All right. Having said that, we're about to start doing something very, very important. So if you never start to do quiz, I don't know what you wait for. Now we're going to be doing something very important. Classificazione dei veicoli. See am now. We are done with everything we concern road. They call this one definizione generale. General definition of the road. We don't see strada. We have seen carreggiata. We have seen corsia. We have seen examples of corsia. Example of carreggiata. We have seen isola di traffico, salvagente. We have seen marciapiede, pista ciclabile, area pedonale, traffico limitato. Eh, ehm, what else again? Yeah, strada subera principale, autostrada. We have seen all these things. And these things they call them general definition. Now we're about to now see the second part. You know, for a long time we'll be discussing, I don't start to, we'll be discussing veicoli. Then today, we'll see what is that thing they call veicoli and their classification. So today's class is very important. Me, I go advise everybody. If you can screenshot what they see for here, screenshot them. If you want write and down, write and down. Today's class is very important. Now, guys, open your app. Open your app from your patented good device. You can be following me. You know, we are now seeing today we are doing classificazione dei veicoli. In English, it is called classification of vehicles. Remember that vehicles are things that has engine and without engine. Is it clear now? Now, according to patent, we're about to classify them. What will be the goal? Guys, I'm gonna write this thing down. What will be the goal? What will be our aim? You will memorize the definition of. See, you memorize, you go cram the definition I'm about to give you guys. You go cram them down. Number one. Number two, you go also remember the examples or we say the characteristics of everything I want to talk now. That is, every vehicle get their own characteristics. Is it clear? That is the difference between vehicle A from vehicle B. Let's take for example, now their characteristics. You go cram them, you go memorize them forever. You no go forget them. Number one, remember, definition. Number two, their characteristics. And that characteristics now it differentiate one vehicle from another vehicle. Are you guys are you guys following me now? Now I've started, I'm about to start. When we talk about classification,
Professor,
yes, sir.
Professor, don't talk.
They,
No, I thought they thought on the potential now.
I just dey start.
Yeah. No,
I just
okay, say that three. You don't give three. You put potential at least and be the
it
difference
dey for
between the two.
characteristics. That one there for inside the
That potential.
characteristics. Yeah. So when we talk about classification of vehicle, guys, we'll start like this. Now, when we talk about vehicle classification, now watch, look at this slide I'm showing you guys. Watch. Now, the first thing we need to talk about is what they call ciclomotore. I believe some of us don't see them before. Ciclomotore. Most of you must have seen this picture on the road. Ciclomotore. Please write it down. Ciclomotore. Write am down. Mrs. Annabelle, write am down. Not be say if I ask you question and you say no, you no follow. You know, say you know they do quiz. And all the things I don't teach you, I believe say you never even remember, you never even do quiz on those things, which you never even understand them. So it's better you writing these things than anyone when you understand, you do quiz on that thing. You do them 100 times. Now, when we talk about classification of vehicle, let us start from vehicles are being classified according to some different type of category. Now, guys, watch. We'll start like this. We have the one they call wheelbarrow. We have the one I'll be saying it in English before I start Italo. We have the one they call wheelbarrow. We have the one where we say animal they push them. You know, remember that one we say animal. If you see some places, for example, some cartoons, some place where we say, let's say where snow day, wolf they push them. Let's say even dog they ride them. Yes, dog can move. Dog can transport even a human being. Yes, we have the ones that horses they transport. Yes, in your chariot, horses they transport people. Is it clear now? All these things are all vehicles. We even have bicycle. We have wheelbarrow. I've said it before. Yes. Anything you are pushing with your hand, they call it wheelbarrow. Now, in Italiano, we have what they call veicolo a braccia. Wetin be veicolo a braccia? Please, writing these things that don't start. Veicolo a braccia are those anything will be wheelbarrow. Vehicle. See, I'm vehicle. Now be vehicle. Braccia on your hands. So if you add two of them together, now wetin make a wheelbarrow. Please write it down because it's very, very important what I'm teaching you guys. Vehicular braccia. If you add two of them together, now waiting wheelbarrow. Is it clear now? Boom. That one is that one. Now we now have what they call motorcycle. We don't do everything motorcycle, abi, because it has a little bit of engine in it. You can charge it. It has, sorry, which engine? It has battery in it. You can charge it. Is it clear? It's electric. Also, good. We have the one they call veicoli a trazione animale. Veicoli a trazione animale. Any vehicle we say animal they pull. Think about it. Donkey. Donkey, for example, in desert. Now animal they pull. Now donkey they pull those they pull person. Is it clear? In that situation, they call it veicolo a trazione animale. In your chariot, horses where they that is carrying somebody, they call it veicoli a trazione. Trazione now whenever something is pulling something. Is it clear? They call it veicoli a trazione animale. Is it clear now? Guys, the funny thing is that everything I said to you guys now, they are not important. They are not important. But I believe say don't write them down. Now we're about to enter things with the importance. I just do small panorama about vehicle. All these things now vehicle. Then they are called vehicle. Let us go into the main thing. Into the main thing. Now, when we start talking about vehicles, one of these now the following they are being considered very important according to Patente. Now, guys, watch. What is our aim? I will tell you guys two names. We're about to check their differences. Watch, oh. We'll go check the difference between this guy and this guy. Also, we'll check their definition. Is it clear now? Now, I'll tell you guys ciclomotore and motocicli. So we're about to learn the difference between ciclomotore and motocicli. Remember, say these guys, they under the classification of vehicle. So those that are doing Jota, I hope you're writing it down. Those with the jot things down. When we talk about classificazione veicoli, let's start by discussing ciclomotore. These ones, they important past all the ones we talked before. Ciclomotore and motocicli. We're about to see the main difference between two of them. Now, guys, watch. When we talk about ciclomotore, let us start from ciclomotore. I'll give you guys the definition of ciclomotore. What is ciclomotore? Ciclomotore, according to what you are seeing here, look at the picture. Is this picture you are seeing here? Is it clear now? This is ciclomotore. It has two definitions. So whenever you see this guy for road, he knows na ciclomotore. But how you go take notion na ciclomotore? There is something that will tell you. And those things are their characteristics. Is it clear now? Let us start with the definition. The definition of ciclomotore is what? Ciclomotore, I'll tell us for English, then we'll say it in Italiano. Are those vehicles that has 2 or 3 wheels. Write it down. Ciclomotore get two definition. Abeg, write am down, no. Write am down. This is why I tell you. When I write am down, everybody, bring out your pen and paper. Ciclomotore are those vehicles that has 2 or 3 wheels. In italiano, ciclomotore sono veicoli a 2 o 3 ruote. 2 o 3 ruote. What does this mean? Ciclomotore na any vehicle will get 2 or 3 wheels. That means if you see ciclomotore for road, one of the things we go fit make you know say this na ciclomotore. If that vehicle get 2 or 3 wheels. This is the first definition. I hope you don't write that down. Second definition. What is ciclomotore? Ciclomotore can be considered quadricicli leggeri. Second definition. They are considered quadricicli leggeri. Write them down. Now this picture when I see from the right hand side. Hello, are you guys here?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. Is this picture you are seeing on the right hand side? They call it what? Quadricicli. This is second definition of ciclomotore. So what I don't do now? Remember I tell you, say ciclomotore get two definition. The first one now waiting, then get 2 or 3 wheels. Mrs. Annabelle, don't write them down. They get 2 or 3 wheels. Number 2, now everything what they call quadricicli leggeri. Is it clear now? Now, quadricicli leggeri, those kind of smart cars, you will see them. They're very small. This picture you're seeing here, they call them quadricicli leggeri. This is the second definition of ciclomotore. Now, guys, watch. Let us now go into their characteristics. So let's do it again. If tomorrow somebody asks you, what is ciclomotore? Ciclomotore sono veicoli a 2 o 3 ruote. Sono considerati, according to their characteristics, si assomigliano a quadricicli leggeri. That means second definition. They are what? Quadricicli leggeri. We go soon see why they call them quadricicli leggeri. Let us start from ciclomotore first. Guys, write them down. Characteristics of ciclomotore. Don't write them down. Characteristics, that is how you go take no say this thing at ciclomotore. Because I don't give you a definition. No. Now, how you go take no as a driver, as a teacher, as a student, that thing you are seeing in your front is ciclomotore. Watch. I will say it in English first, then we'll go to Italiano. Every ciclomotore gets their cilindrata. What be cilindrata? Their cylinder. That place where they put fuel. The container where they contain the fuel is up to, that is, it can never be bigger than this particular value I'm about to tell us. It is up to 50 centimeters cube. 50 centimeters cube, they're very small, guys. It be like 2 cup. They're very small. They say that the ciclomotore sono veicoli a 2 o 3 ruote. Definition. What will be their characteristics? They have cylinder. Their cylinder is inferior to weighting 50 centimeters cube. This is the one that they see here. Or 50 cc. This is their characteristics. I repeat again. Their cylinder. Some quiz go tell now, their motore termico è fino a, hanno cilindrata fino a 50 centimetri cubi. What do you mean of fino a? Fino a means from 0 to 50. It cannot be 51. It cannot be 52. That is from 0 to 50. Their cylinder, it's not bigger than 50 centimeters cube. Is it clear? 50 centimeters cube. Right. Now be that one. Is it clear now? I don't want to tell you. Let's leave the reason why. No, go deeper. That's the first characteristics. Second characteristic of ciclomotore is that their potenza. What do you mean potenza? Potenza in English means horsepower. Now, Mr. Ifeanyi asked me that thing before. You see the way I take explaining now. I first give you definition. I can't give you characteristics. Now, if I ask you tomorrow, what be ciclomotore? You know, go just start to tell us potenza, this kind. No, no, no. You go start with definition first. After you give us definition, then you talk about the characteristics. Now, their potenza, that is the horsepower. Finoa, either you say finoa or you say non superiore. Non superiore means say it is not bigger than. That it is from, watch, non superiore a 4 kilowatts. Their horsepower is not bigger than 4 kilowatts. Write am down. Write am down, everybody. No dey fit say you go fit cram am. Pattern dem no dey work like that. Some of you are waiting for my videos. Yes, good. But if you like that, you can start doing quiz immediately. Their horsepower is not bigger than 4 kilowatts. Some quiz will tell you, instead of them to write 4 kW, they will tell you 4,000 watts. Because if you convert kilowatts to watt, you know, if you do am 4 times, because every kilo na 1,000. If you convert them now, it will give you 4,000 watts. Are you guys following me? Some quiz go tell you na 4,000 watts. It's still correct, na still vero. If they write 4 kilowatts, na still vero. 4 kW. Some quiz go tell you 4,000 W. That be watts. That is the systema, the measuring system. Now they say the horsepower, that is the potenza, it can never be bigger than 4 kilowatts. Are you writing it down? Number 3, characteristics. Their velocità. What be velocità for patente? Velocità means speed. Their speed è inferiore a, you see am now, è inferiore or no, or you can say non superiore a 45 km orario. That is km stroke h. That be kilometre orario. Kilometers per hour. Is it clear? Now, their speed can never be more than 45 kilometers per hour. The way they built this ciclomotore. This picture when I see here. Everything about them, the speed can never be bigger than 45 kilometers per hour. That is the way they use and build it. Any question so far before I continue? If you get question, you ask him. But me, I go ask question. According to what I just teach us, no. If you get question,
Sorry, what is the definition? Can you go back to what is definition of a motociclore? Sorry, the
no,
definition.
I never talk about motocicli. I just talk about ciclomotore. I still there for
Sorry,
ciclomotore. Definition
yeah.
of ciclomotore. They have two definitions. Number one, they call them what? Ciclomotore and everything we get 2 or 3 waves. Number one. Sono veicoli a noise they come from your side. Sono veicoli a 2 o 3 ruote. That be first definition. Second definition, they call them what? Quadricicli leggeri. Why they call them leggeri? Leggeri for Italian, a bit where they light. Quadricicli. Why they call them quadricicli? Quadri na 4 because you get 4 wheels, but it's very very light. Think about a smart car. Those smart car those very very small car that they see for road. See, I'm this picture here. That's the second definition of ciclomotore. Now, ciclomotore get 2 definition. I don't tell us now. They call them 2 or 3 wheels, number 1. Number 2, they call them what? Quadricicli leggeri. We're about to see why they call them quadricicli leggeri. Let us now go into the characteristics of quadricicli leggeri because I just gave us the characteristics of ciclomotore. We don't talk about that one. Abi, let us now see why they call them quadricicli leggeri. Watch. Their motore di cilindrata. Now the same thing as saying cilindrata here. It is not superior to 50 centimeters. The same thing as the other guy. Is it clear now? So we don't learn something very important. Siam, quadricicli leggeri and motocicli. Sorry, let me repeat. Quadricicli leggeri and ciclomotore, they have the same characteristics. According to their weighting, to their cylinder, are the same thing. It is not bigger than 50 centimeters cube or 50 cc. Write and down. The cylinder are the same thing. Let us now see their potenza. Guys, watch. According to their potenza è non superiore. Guys, follow me. È non superiore a. Please see what they wrote here. La potenza è non superiore a 4 kilowatts. They call right here 4 watts, 4,000 watts. It's the same thing. Is it clear now? Any questions so far, guys? I want to shock you guys. It gets some quadricicli leggeri where they arrive to 4 to 6 watts. Is it clear concerning according to their potenza, their horsepower, from 4 to 6? Is it clear? But it's the same thing. The characteristics of quadricicli leggeri and ciclomotore are the same thing also. Is it clear now, guys? Let us now go to their speed. It's the same thing. Their speed can never be bigger than 45 kilometers per hour. Now, the key word is finoa or non-superior. So we don't learn something. We dey very deep. I don't teach you na the theory
Okay.
part concerning definition and
Okay.
characteristics of ciclomotore.
Augustus. Augustus. I think that's a
Are
question for this
yes.
side. No superior, no superior. They go no too much higher more than 40 because the more they
No, no,
lower.
no.
I mean,
Non-superior means not bigger than the value where they
not
see for
bigger.
the
I mean,
place. Or they tell you finoa.
okay.
And every time you hear the word non-superior, non-superior means say, if they tell you say non-superior at 20, it means say it is not bigger than 20. It is from 0 to 20. It not fit be 21. It not fit be 20.5. It not fit be 20.2. Now from 0 to 20. If they can't tell you say superior, it means a big, now that is from 21 upwards. It is bigger than 20.
Upward.
Okay, guys, I don't give you a definition. I don't give us characteristics. Now, me, I go start to ask question now. Watch. Now, let us now go to motocicli. I don't tell us about ciclomotor, abi. We don't know him. Let us now go to, even see, guys, we've not even started reading the book. Oh. We've not even started reading waiting they write for us. But I've started breaking it down for you. So that you know what it be before we start to read them. Let us now go to motocicli. Motocicli is something you are seeing like this. Now, now concerning motocicli, be very, very careful. Be very, very careful because motocicli they very, very broad. Guys, watch. Concerning motocicli, watch. Is it this one I see? Now, if you look at it, the machine now looks a little bit bigger than the other one. Abi? Now, guys, watch. I will tell you now for free. Watch, oh. Motocicli definition. Motocicli definition. Now, waiting. Now, everything we get 2 or 3 ways, bro. Everything we get 2 or 3 ways. Now, write am down. Motocicli now, everything we get 2 or 3 ways. First definition. Second definition of motocicli.
Sorry, first one.
First, yeah,
Everything that has
has
sorry.
the same thing. Anything that has 2 or 3 ways. Due or tre ruote. Second definition. Off your mic. There's too much noise. Your TV they make noise. Eh? Second definition of motocicli. Now waiting. They call them what? Quadricicli non leggeri. Quadricicli non leggeri. Siam. Quadricicli that is not light. Heavy. Some quiz they call them what? Quadricicli pesante. That's another name for them. Either you call them quadricicli non-leggeri, or you call them quadricicli pesante. Is it clear now? Don't give us definition. Is it clear, guys? I don't give us definition. Them then get 2 or 3 ways. You can call them what? Quadricicli non-leggeri, because they be quadricicli that is not light, they're heavy, or quadricicli pesante. Now let us now go to their characteristics. Guys, watch. Let us now go to their characteristics. You're not ready for me. Now, are they come? Muna follow me. Oh. Now, let us go to their characteristics. If I tell you, say, motocicli, according to their cylinder, se motore termico, watch, oh, their cylinder è superiore a 50 centimetri cubi. That is 50 centimeters cube. It is bigger than 50 centimeters cube or 50 cc. I get question for somebody. Let me start from Mrs. Grace. Mrs. Grace. I know that she there. Mrs. Grace.
Yes, good
Okay,
evening,
ma.
sir.
Good evening, ma. I have a
Sir?
question for you. Watch, oh. If motocicli, their cylinder, according to the cylinder, what's the keyword? È superiore a 50 centimetri cubi or 50 cc. Can you discuss ciclomotore cylinder according to
Sorry,
characteristics?
sorry, sir. Come again, sir.
If I tell you, say, now, I don't give you definition, Abi. I don't discuss characteristics now of motocicli. Me, I can't tell you now, say, now, what you go do for me now? You go open your jotter. You go open for your jotter. You open your jotter. You go read now. Your answer go be what you write for your jotter. If I tell you, say, motocicli, their cylinder è superiore a 50 centimetri cubi or 50 cc, that is 50 cc. Can you discuss the characteristics of ciclomotore according to their cylinder?
Chiquanta. Is Chiquanta. Chiquanta.
Adira, you don't understand.
Sorry.
Follows. That's not, it's not they fair, guys. This is why I teach you that they very deep. Oh. I'm not gonna lie you. Oh. My
I'm
answer that person.
asking you, don't explain for me very well so that we understand.
No, I know if you explain, I they come. I just explain nah. I know I they come, I ask other people.
Mr. Charles, Mr. Charles, she didn't get the question. She didn't
Okay,
get the question. That's why
let me
she's
ask again. Let me ask again. Now, my sister, watch. The definition of motocycle now waiting, they get two or three wheels, like ciclomotore. Should we remember? Now, second definition of motocycle now waiting, they call them quadricicli pesante or non-leggeri. Is it clear now? Okay. What will be the characteristics of motocycle? Because me, I don't give you the characteristics of ciclomotore. Should we remember? Because what will they try to do here? Will they try understand as students the difference between ciclomotor and motocycle? Watch. Now, what are the characteristics of motocycle? Now, I want to discuss now. According to their character, I go take note, say this one a motocycle if you see them for road. The only way we go fit differentiate na their characteristics. Watch. Wetin come be the characteristics of motocycle? I can't tell you now, say, according to their cylinder, if na motor thermical, their cylinder is bigger than 50 centimeters cube or 50 cc. They bigger. Now, I can ask you a question now. Concerning ciclomotore, according to their cylinder, what be your characteristics? What we discussed before? What be the key word there? Because for motocycle, their own cylinder is superiore a 50 centimeters cube. What about ciclomotore, my sister, Mrs. Grace? You never to say you don't understand if you don't pick them. Okay, Mrs.
So
Annabelle.
let another person answer her so
But
that
you know they
we.
fair. You know this one, you know they fair at all. All right, Mrs. Annabelle. Wait till be according to their cylinder of ciclomotore. Wait till we learn that now. Wait till be the wait till be the can you discuss the cylinder of ciclomotore? Mrs. Annabelle.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, now. What will be the cylinder? What will be the according to the characteristics of ciclomotore for cylinder motore thermico? What will be that? What we discuss now? So what will be the difference? Because we just learned say motorcycle their own cylinder they bigger than 50 centimeters cube. What about ciclomotore?
Because you said it has two or three ways
No, that
quadri.
that one a definition. That one a definition. Now we'll talk about characteristics.
Mm.
I tell you something I write like this. Now go first write definition. We don't talk and finish. Now, what is the definition of ciclomotore? Now, everything will get two or three wheels. And they also call them what? Qualitic leggeri. Now, that's what I tell you now. Keep on one side. Keep on one side now. Now, I can't tell you me right again. Characteristics. These characteristics now that is how you go take differentiate. That how you go take no say for road or for when you do for the when you do quiz or when you do exam. Say, oh, this guy why they see na ciclomotore. Oh, this guy why they see na motocycle. Because the only way you go fit differentiate ciclomotore from motocycle now only if you know their characteristics. So now I want me to discuss the characteristics of ciclomotore concerning their cylinder. Only cylinder now I want me to tell me. Because we just say if na motocycle, their cylinder they bigger than 50 centimeters cube. Okay, my sister, discuss ciclomotore according to their cylinder. That thing we write for your jotter. Ah, they interested. That thing you write for your jotter. That means you know the right things for your jotter.
That is the first topic. Sorry. That is the first topic.
Tell me
Because
now what you write for your jotter. What I just teach now. Now that's what I'm interested in. Because this topic they very, very hard. Even it's not even easy to explain it. And it's very hard
so
for
you said
even for
the
students.
characteristic of ciclomotore.
Yes.
Ciclomotore. Ciclomotore are two or three.
That one a definition. I know they're interested in definition. I want me to tell me now their characteristics. My question now, concerning their cylinder, waiting ciclomotor to tell us. Because if now watch you, I the comment mass on that person. Let's not waste too much time. Okay, Mrs. Follower. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma. Watch you. Ciclomotor according to their characteristics. If na motorcycle now, watch oh. If na motorcycle, characteristics so their cylinder
Mm.
dey superior are 50 cc or 50 centimeters cube. What about ciclomotore according to their cylinder?
Okay. Ciclomotore, the engine size is up to 50 cc.
Up to yeah.
Yeah.
You try. I want me you tell us the keyword. Talk am for Italiano because now that is the most
Okay.
important thing. Because if na motorcycle, è superiore a 50 centimeters cube. Now complete am. What about ciclomotore?
Okay. 50 centimeters
Yes, but you
cube.
never tell us the keyword. And now the keyword I dey interested in. Wetin be the keyword there? Because watch oh, might talk am again. If na motorcycle, their cylinder è superiore. E dey superior more than more than 50 centimeters. See, I'm for English. E dey more than 50 centimeters cube or
Yeah.
50 cc. Now, can you discuss ciclomotore? You are there. You don't talk already, but I want me to tell me the keyword. Wetin be the
Okay.
keyword there concerning the cylinder of ciclomotore?
Okay. 50 cc, 45
No, no,
kilometer
no,
per
no, no, no,
hour.
no, no. Just cylinder. Cylinder na there. The cylinder. Okay, who can tell us the keyword? No, no, waste too much time. Mr. Bernard, the keyword there concerning
Inferior,
inferiore.
Inferiore.
Students,
inferior.
these things dey important. E dey
Inferiore.
important. I even help us. If na motorcycle, e dey superior, e dey more than 50. Mrs. Annabelle, the cylinder of motorcycle dey more than 50 centimeters cube. If na ciclomotore, e dey lesser, e dey inferior. No forget this thing wey I tell you. E dey very, very important. Alright, move to on that one. We don discuss their cylinder, abi? Let us now discuss their horsepower. Horsepower, their potenza. Watch oh. La potenza for motorcycle. Guys, watch. If na motorcycle, è superiore a 11 kW. È superiore a 11 kW. Is it clear? Now, I get question for somebody now. That thing we write for your jotter, now they interested in all that thing. Now, concerning the potenza of ciclomotore, let me call somebody. Mr. Ifeanyi, wetin be the potenza of ciclomotore?
No, no superiore.
Non superior or
Do you hear me?
talk am well now.
The
Talk am
potential
well.
non superiore da 4 kilowatt.
Okay, yes. If na ciclomotore è inferiore a or it is between 4 to 6 kilowatt concerning their horsepower. Is it clear now? Concerning their potenza. Are you guys following me now? All right. Is it clear? Now let me tell you something more. Guys, we'll go deeper. Abeg, add am for your jotter. Add am for your jotter. Everybody, watch oh. Una remember say the horsepower, the potenza of ciclomotore is what? Is 4 kilowatts. But if we are discussing quadricycle leggeri, wetin be im horsepower? Na from 4 to 6 kilowatts. Write am down oh. If na quadricycle leggeri. Now guys, watch. When we discuss motorcycle, their own horsepower, if na motorcycle normal, na wetin? Na 11 kilowatts, 11 kilowatts. Now, when we start discussing quadricycle non-leggero, it is up to, that is, it is between 11 to 15 kilowatts. Please write down and me, no forget them. Is it clear now, guys? No forget. Now, I forgot to tell us this one. Another name for motorcycle.
Mr. Charles, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Charles, please.
Yes, sir.
You said it's between 11 to 15. Which one is that? The no pesante
Motorcycle, yeah. Quadricycle
Okay.
non-leggero. Yes, exactly.
Okay.
One more thing why I forget to tell us. Another name for motorcycle is called motor vehicle. Write them down. So you can see it in your quiz if you come out. Another name for motorcycle is called motor vehicle. All right, guys, lastly.
Motor what?
Motor
Oga
vehicle.
Charles,
I dey hear you.
abeg no vex. I want to ask one follow question.
Ask,
Like
no
that
worry.
motorcycle now, when you say superior, that superior mean for 50 above now, 60, 70 bar.
Now, when we talk about, for example, now, if I tell you superior to 50, it means say from 51 going upwards. From 51
Okay, for
going
51,
upwards.
now they talk.
Exactly.
Okay.
If I can't tell you inferior
Okay.
or finoa, it means from
Inferior.
0 to 50. It cannot be 50.5, 50 point.
Okay, for zero, okay, for 0 to 50.
If na
Okay.
inferiore or fino.
Okay, okay.
Exactly. Now, last one, their speed. Now, this one are for Mrs. Annabelle. Mrs. Annabelle, watch. Motoveicoli o motocicli, according to their speed, la velocità è superiore a 45 km orario, 45 km per hour. Now, I want me to discuss ciclomotore according to their speed. Wetin we learn, wetin you write for your jota concerning the speed of ciclomotore. Mrs. Annabelle. Hello?
I can hear you.
Yeah, answer Nama.
You said ciclomotore.
Yes, wetin you write for your jota concerning the speed? Because I just tell you, say, if it is motociclo or motor veicoli, their speed è superiore, na the keyword, è superiore a 45 km orario. Wetin be the discuss ciclomotor according to their speed? You write anything
You
down?
said yes. You said velocità. Velocità is 45 kilometer
But
per secondo.
you get the keyword with there. Not be say I just talk. You get wetin I talk there. Now the keyword I dey interested in. Waiting because if the keyword for motocicling na è superiore, that thing this is why I tell you dey important o. By now you suppose don't know am. I dey interested in that keyword. If na motocicli è superiore a 45 km orario, it is more than 45 km per hour. Now, why may you tell us the keyword concerning ciclomotore? How I take talk am? Wetin you write for your jota? According to their speed. Die.
Mm.
It will be inferior now.
Why you talk now? Wait. Allora, it is inferior, my sister. And
Inferiore.
don't forget this thing. This thing why I teach you now today, it dey very costly. I'm not gonna lie to you, it dey important because this lesson, the knowledge of this lesson will even help you when you start to do second part. This now one of those lessons where you should never forget. May you never forget them. That is why me, if I feel teaching, I go try post this video. When I go watch them again. It's very, very important you don't forget this lesson, classification dei veicoli. And this one I teach you now. Your Italian teacher no go teach you the way I teach you this, I no go lie to you. So what we don't learn now? We don't learn something we dey very deep. Definition of ciclomotore. Definition of motociclo. So I'll call up a student. You go do am fast, fast. So move go forward. Now let me call up a student. You go tell us the difference. You go discuss ciclomotor and motocicli. You go start with definition. You will give us the difference. That is, you will start with definition of one. You give us now you give us the definition of the other one. Then you give us the characteristics. What differentiate this guy from the other guy? All right, let us hear from we'll hear from Mr. Mavis. We get
Okay.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, for me, it's okay. I'll start with ciclomotore. Ciclomotore is the characteristic alone, or I should definition
start,
and
do when now. Do definition first, then you enter characteristics.
okay. The definition is ciclomotore is a vehicle with two or three wheels. That's dual or three rotate. It can be considered also quadricyclically leggeri.
Good.
Yeah. And
Definition
the
of
characteristics
motociclo.
of
Okay, give a characteristics here. Characteristics, yeah? Characteristics.
okay, the characteristics of a ciclomotor is their cylinder is inferior to 50 centimeter cubes.
Yes.
As a fino have 50
Yes.
cube. Yeah. Then their horsepower is their potential is
Yes.
4 kilowatts.
Exactly.
Yeah. Then the speed is inferior at 45 kilograms.
Kilometers per hour.
Sorry.
All right. Student, no, verse. We'll soon go break. My brother, you continue when you get the session finish, you continue again when we come back. Continue, sir.
Okay. Then, like I said,